The sun is out and the temperature is rising. Being hot and sweaty is miserable, and overheating can even be dangerous. Fans just move stale hot air around. Air conditioners can be expensive, and they only cool one room. They can't be moved around, and if you try to cool your whole house, it could cost you a fortune. Now there's a better way to stay cool and save money so you can beat the heat wherever you are. Introducing the incredible new Starlyf Fast Cooler Pro, the compact portable air conditioner that gives you instant cooling relief anytime and anywhere you need it. With Fast Cooler Pro, it's like having your own personal air conditioner wherever you go. And it's super economical because you're only cooling the area you're in. When you go to another room, it goes with you, so you get fast cooling relief whenever and wherever you need it. The secret is the HydroCool technology that uses an evaporative air cooling filter that pulls in hot air and transforms it into cool, refreshing air, enough to keep an entire room cool and comfortable day or night. Want proof that Starlyf Fast Cooler Pro really works? We put frozen lollies in front of an ordinary fan and the Starlyf Fast Cooler Pro. You can see the cooling effect right before your eyes. The one in front of the fan melts quickly, while the HydroCool power of the Fast Cooler Pro keeps the lolly cold and frosty for much longer. Now that's real cooling power you can see. When you're outside in the burning, blistering heat, nothing feels better than coming inside to cool off with your Fast Cooler Pro. If your home doesn't have air conditioning, the heat can become unbearable in the summer. Fast Cooler Pro lets you beat the heat so you feel more relaxed and comfortable. Dorm rooms can be hot and stuffy, making it hard to focus. Fast Cooler Pro gives you fast cooling relief so you can concentrate on your studies. A hot office space can zap your energy and productivity. Fast Cooler Pro can give you 20 hours of water-cooled, air-conditioned comfort so you can feel refreshed, less stressed, and more productive. Fans are a pain to haul about and just push hot air around without cooling the air. But Fast Cooler Pro is like your own personal air conditioner that cools the air around you, leaving you feeling refreshed and ready for your day. Portable air conditioners can be bulky and have to vent outside, but Fast Cooler Pro is lightweight and compact. Window air conditioners are hard to install and only cool the room you're in. But Fast Cooler Pro is portable and lets you stay cool from room to room. As the temperature rises, so do your energy bills. That can add up to hundreds of pounds a year. But Starlyf Fast Cooler Pro uses only a fraction of the energy, saving you money. Fast Cooler Pro is battery powered, so it's perfect for camping trips. And its slim design makes it a great fit for caravans, flats, and dorms. Fast Cooler Pro also works with any universal mains adapter, and its adjustable air vents let you direct the airflow right where you want it for maximum comfort. And with 2 speed settings, you can adjust the temperature just how you like it. It's impossible to sleep when you're hot. That can ruin your day if you're sleepy and tired. Get great sleep all night long with the cooling power of Fast Cooler Pro. Running the air conditioner all night dries out your throat. Fast Cooler Pro purifies and moisturizes the air around you while it cools, so you never wake up with a sore throat. Save money, beat the heat, and keep your cool all year long with the incredible new Starlyf Fast Cooler Pro. Here's how to order.